Where's your mom, you know? It's okay. I didn't have a good mom either. Pero, you have Tia Pancha, okay? We all have a Tia Pancha in our lives, and I'm going to be here for you. This taco is like your mother, incomplete. Not all together, not all there. I love my family, me and your daddy. Like this? Yeah. You know how to do that? If you drink this, you know how to do that.
Hi, it's me, Nikki. Welcome to my channel, and today we did a video with Pancha. It was fun, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and it puts a smile on your face. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. I really do appreciate it.
Come in! Hey, mija!
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm actually in the food.
Let me see. What you got? You cooking because your mom doesn't cook?
She just told me to help her out.
She told you, where is she?
She's taking a shower.
Okay, mira. What's this spoon? Why you got a spoon for? No, that's not how you cook. You gotta cook with love. Oh, no. See? Measuring bad, okay? See how Tia Pancha doesn't measure? That's love, okay? Okay?
Okay.
This is the best love right here. And you just pour a little in, but don't let nobody see, okay? You gotta cover it, and you pour the love in there, okay? But you don't let your mama know that. That's Tia Pancha. That's why when I cook, everybody feels real good, okay? Put on some music. Let's dance. Woo! See when you dance, the food, it gets so much better, okay? Oh yeah. Drink of love, mira. The drink of love. You want some? No, you just don't. You're gonna get some. Un poquito. No. Woo, that's my love, girl. That's my. Oh, you see the heart? It's the heart lips. Tia Pancha comes out sometimes, you know? Oh, yeah. Okay. Put some more seasoning in here so that they could really taste it, okay? No need to measure. You can tell by love, okay? Your mama don't know too much about love. That's why your dad works late. Did you notice your dad works late?
Yeah.
Your dad comes home really late.
Yeah.
This is why, baby, because where's your mom, you know? It's okay. I didn't have a good mom either. Pero, you have Tia Pancha, okay? We all have a Tia Pancha in our lives, and I'm going to be here for you. Throw the pepper in there. Look at the peppers dancing. Everybody's happy. Now your dad's going to come home early. Hey, Tia Pancha cooks every day. Papa coming home early. We're going to be a happy family, you know, when your mom's gone. All right. One more time. Un más baile. Woo! Did your mama teach you how to dance? She don't know how. That's why your daddy, when he goes to the club, he dances with all the other women. But not your mother. Oh, yeah. Shh, don't tell her what I tell you, okay? Is Manny your Tia Pancha secret? Yeah. Oh, Tia Pancha, love her, baby. And you're so skinny, Mira. I feel so bad for you. For your father, for you not eating. Your mother's nowhere to be found. But I'm going to come help you, okay? Tia Pancha will be here for you. We're going to get some meat on these bones. And Daddy's going to come home early. And we're going to be a family. And we'll worry about your mother later, okay? Okay, let's finish cooking. Cooking with Tia Pancha. Isn't this fun?
Yeah.
You're learning and everything. Yeah, más, un poquito más. And it's okay if it's a little salty because salt is good for the blood. Don't let no one tell you nothing else. Doctors don't know nothing. You listen to Tia Pancha, okay?
Okay.
All right. This is what your mother gets? This is no good. This is why your father is so unhappy. I saw him the other day and it looked like he lost weight. Has he been sad? No? He's a good actor. He always has been. Okay, look at this. Tia Pancha's gonna have to go shopping, getting y'all new things because I'm gonna do the best that I can, okay? Tia Pancha's gonna show you how to keep the family together today. This is why your mom's not here. When is she coming back? This family's falling apart. It's falling apart. Ooh, we'll make some chicken and rice and get the shares out. We'll all eat like a family, okay? Me, you, and your daddy forever, okay? Me, you, and your father. Woo! Here, go ahead. You can have some. No, pendeja. You're not gonna have any. Just a little. It's my medicine because I get sick. Here you go. Try? You want to try? No, you better not try. Okay. Tia Pancha medicine. You know what? Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, you better not get it when Tia Pancha. When I'm not looking. Excuse me, it's coming back up. You know, I like it because it makes me want to dance, okay? And when you get him mad, he loves to see his girl dance, okay? Dancing and cooking. Woo! Turn around, You like this?
Yeah.
You know how to do that? If you drink this, you know how to do that. Come on, and you dip, and I dip, and I see you dip, we dip. Oh, I love my family, me and your daddy. My new family. Tia Pancha gonna make it all better, yeah. Okay, I saw your mother flip a tortilla with these tenazas. She's so dumb. So I heard Helen left. You know, I think your mother pushed her away. See, you put the meat in here. Con some lechuga, a little bit of queso. We got some guacamoles. But do you see how there's no tomato? It's like your mother. This taco is like your mother, incomplete. Not all together, not all there. You can't have a taco without, you know, tomatoes, some sour cream. I'm the guacamole. It makes it better. You can have a meat that don't taste good, put some guacamole in it, and you get Tia Pancha. Okay? Okay, we'll do the best that we can. This is how you make a tacos, okay, mija? Come on. Our first meal together as a family without your mother. This is life. Cheers. You want some? No, you can't have none. Go ahead. Go ahead. Have it. Your mother's a drunk. Let's go! Somebody singing in the background while I'm filming. My family, except... What? I don't even know. I love my family, me and you.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you like Tia Pancha. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.